How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna show you this. The fact that now we finally have built-in auto captions on Instagram. For your stories, your reels, no matter what, we can just record straight from Instagram and get captions super easy without having to use another app and export and upload, nothing like that. It's so simple, it works perfect. Let me show you. So I have just recorded here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit done and then get here my stickers and then tap on search, and there they are, captions. It's transcribing the audio and then it's gonna generate just like that. But wait, because we need to enable it first. It won't be there if you haven't enabled it, all right? I'm gonna show you step by step. As you can see right here, we can edit the captions, we can edit the style. I'm gonna show you, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, even if you just wanna use it for stories, is actually create a new reel, okay? Just the first time, all right? So tap on the plus right here at the bottom, and then go ahead and tap on reel right here, and then camera, right? Your normal, typical creating process. And then you're gonna actually record something, okay? Just a sample, we're not gonna use this, all right? As you can see. And then tap on next. And then right here, we have the stickers. So tap on it, and then it'll be right here, captions. So it'll be on this very first page right there. Tap on it, and then it's the typical stuff that I just showed you, right? And we have more options right here. As you can see on the reels, more styles, as you can see, right? So you can go ahead and play with that. And then after we're done, you can cancel this. As I said, you're not gonna use it, so we can cancel the whole thing and then cancel everything. And now, if you wanna use it for your stories, it's enabled. So as you can see, you can go ahead and create a new story if you want to. Use the camera, same story, and then create a new story, as you can see right here, just like I did in the intro, and then your stickers. And it won't be right here, but since we have previously used it in the reels, as I tap on search, it'll be here under recent. So captions under recent. So tap on it, and there we go. So that's why you have to use on the reels first. And then that's it, guys. You can go ahead and choose your style. And of course, you can also edit the caption itself. If there's a little mistake or something, just tap on it and then tap on it once again, and then it'll create here every single word that you said. You tap on anything, and then you can simply edit, done, and that's it. All right, so as you can see, we have edit, and then of course, choose the style, tap on done, and then put it here, for example, if that's what you want, and then you're good to go. Now you know how to create, how to use the new automatic in-app captions on Instagram. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos with you guys. Bye-bye.